Give it to me like.
Welcome to Driven. Y'all check this out. I want to show y'all something that might help somebody with the window flex. This little gadget. You can do it yourself. I'll show you in a second here. It's the window regulator motors. These things come with all kinds of crazy gaps and stuff. But if you look behind here, what I'm pointing at is the plate in this plastic bushing. You can see where I don't know if you can zoom in, see how the flex is coming in between, when I move the window back and forth. Right there, the green piece. I can't point at it, but anyways, see how it's moving. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a little trick that you could do to, and you can see this side doing the same thing. You can't really see on that side too good because it's but anyway, same thing. So, back to over here. I'm going to show you a little gadget you could do. You just put you a pin, see where I'm pointing at right there, right in behind there, and it puts pressure on that. And by doing that, that window don't move. Yes, and it actually rolls up and down perfect. So you can do it on both sides. Now, I'm not saying do the pick like that, but you can get, I use little rivets because it had a little hat on it. And you can see right here that, look, check it out. So I did trim it down and it's flush to the bottom. So I broke the piece off, so I just use a little rivet, tap it down in there on each side. The amazing difference in both of them. It's really cool. Y'all should try this little trick. They both roll up and down. I did lube them up a little more. Look, see, there we go, rolling down. And let me see if I can show. I'm trying to give y'all the best shot I can. This is kind of hard. And she will come right back up. Not touching anything. So I did cut it off. It was flush, the one I did originally, so don't worry about it. So yeah, anyways, use your little rivet, put a little pry in between there. I don't know why they build these like this. It just, I'm not sure why they do it, but I need to adjust my window, and I was trying to figure out a way to get those little tracks a little tighter. So anyway, so everything worked out great. I got it all back together. 100% difference in no window flex. Okay, appreciate y'all watching this. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching again. Y'all have a good weekend.
Give it to me like.